Hey, if you want to hide app icons on your app drawer on the POCO M6 Pro, for sure you can do this by swiping 2 times to the right side when you open your app drawer. So it looks like this. Now you will open this menu with the hide app icons, and first you will have to set the password. So click on it, and we have to add our fingerprint first. So click settings. Now we'll be moved into the security settings, and I have to provide my fingerprint. So if you do this like before this video, you will don't have to follow this step. So we can skip this video, actually, this part of the video. But I'm gonna quickly do this, and after a few seconds I can show you what is going on next. And now we can also add the face, the data, but I'm gonna skip this one. We have to click done. And now we have to connect at least 4 dots to create a pattern. So that's our password for this app icons. And we have to draw it one more time. Then we have to click OK. And now to add apps, we have to click on this button. And let's say that I want to hide, for example, my Facebook, contacts, and maybe I want to do this with, maybe I'm going to select YouTube. Then we have to click on the right upper corner on the switcher to activate this. And now we successfully hide these icons. When I click on this button, I can reset the password. And when I click right here, I can actually add other apps. Now when I go back and open the app drawer, as you can see, the YouTube is not visible. Contacts are also not visible. So if I want to open these apps, I have to swipe 2 times to the right. And here I can input, for example, my fingerprint sensor or the on-screen lock method. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.